Hey there, Justin from Blaze. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use the power of campaigns to supercharge your Autopilot workspace even further. If you're already using Autopilot, you may be familiar with the process of having Blaze generate your content 1 week at a time using brand plans. But if you want to plan for content on a much larger scale, like maybe for a few months or even an entire year out and beyond, that's where campaigns come into play. Campaigns let you plan your content out as far into the future as you need. You can run multiple campaigns at the same time, and you can run campaigns for as long as 4 weeks. Campaigns replace the Brands Plan feature inside of your Autopilot workspace, but they're only available to our Growth Plan users and up. So if you're on the starter plan, consider upgrading to our Growth Plan. Once you upgrade, Blaze will walk you through the process of creating an initial 12 months worth of campaigns. By clicking campaigns from the sidebar, you'll open up a calendar view of your campaigns. Notice the year's worth of campaigns already on my calendar. Yours should look similar. You can easily review, edit, and tweak your campaigns by just clicking on them to open them up. I'm going to click on the French Pastries Freshness Spotlight campaign to show you what I mean. Similar to brand plans, each campaign guides Blaze through the content creation process, but campaigns give you way more opportunities to tell Blaze what you want your content to be about. Here, you can see an overview of the campaign. All of this should be reviewed and can easily be edited if you want. Simply click on a section to open it up, quickly make your adjustments, and then save them to return to the overview screen. Down below, you can manually add more context to your campaigns like website links, docs, PDFs, videos, voice notes, and more. Blaze will use the added context to inform the content that it generates for you. Launching a new product, for instance, upload your product marketing materials here, or even link to the product web pages that you've already created for your new product. You can also upload assets like images or videos that you want Blaze to use when it generates the content for you. In the campaign content section, you can choose to generate your content early if you want. If you do nothing, your content will automatically be generated by the date listed here. Once your content is generated, you'll see it listed in this section. At the bottom of your campaign window, you'll have some questions that Blaze will ask you. Answering these questions will further enhance the quality of the content in your campaign. The Refine Campaign button at the very top of the screen will walk you through all of these steps in a wizard format. It's nice if you want to go through everything step by step, giving you an opportunity to review and edit everything, including your topics and more. Notice there are 4 statuses in the header image of the campaign. These are the 4 statuses that every campaign moves through. If your campaign is in the planned status, that means your content hasn't been generated yet. Your campaign is just an idea to Blaze at this point. Generated means that the content has been created and scheduled but hasn't gone live yet. You can still make some changes to your campaign in this phase, but you will need to regenerate your content to see those changes reflected. Next is the publishing phase. This means that some of the content in your campaign is actively going live. You can still make some changes to your campaign at this point as well, but Blaze will only be able to regenerate the content that hasn't been published yet. The last status is the done status. This means that your plan is finished publishing. You can now use this campaign page as reference to see your plan and all the content that's generated. Let's jump back to the campaign calendar view for a second. Here you can create your own campaigns by clicking the Add New Campaign button. Blaze will start by asking you what you want your campaign to be about. Simply enter your response in the text field at the top. Next, enter in a target link that Blaze will try to direct your traffic to. I'm going to paste in my website for Urban Roasters, my coffee shop, but you would want to put in your own URL here or a link to your product page, whatever makes the most sense for you. Now you'll set your campaign schedule, meaning when it will start and how long it's going to run for. Then add web page links, videos, documents, or voice notes for reference so Blaze can use it when generating content for you. Once you've done that, click Continue. Blaze will scan your target link and review the context that you uploaded. Once it's finished doing that, review what it's returned for you. All of the text in these fields are live, meaning you can edit anything that doesn't feel right and add in anything you feel is missing. I'm going to go ahead and leave this alone and click Continue. Now, simply go through and enter in the amount of content you want generated during your campaign. The first question about cross posts is asking you if you want Blaze to create one piece of social media content and post it to multiple social media channels, or it can create dedicated social media posts for you. I'm gonna leave mine set to yes for cross posting and then set the amount of posts that I want. Now set your post frequency. Then enter in if you want any blogs or emails generated about your campaign. I'm gonna go ahead and leave mine set to 0. Then click Create Campaign. Blaze gets to work generating your campaign page and then takes you to that page. Now you can easily return back to this campaign anytime you want. You can make adjustments throughout the year, and if nothing changes or you completely forget about it, Blaze will still create the content for you and promote it based on everything you outlined in your campaign. Campaigns give you the power to plan your entire year's worth of content in just a few minutes, while also giving you the flexibility to pivot and adapt your plans as business happens. If this video helped you at all, give it a like and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.